Hello and welcome to Rest Assured API testing tutorials. Here we'll be discussing the commonly asked API testing question and answers in the interviews. What's a web service? It is a way to communicate between two machines. Whenever we need to communicate between two PC, laptop or a machine or desktop, whatever we call that, we use something which is called a protocol. A protocol, as we all know, can be TCP/IP or HTTP. In case of REST, we use HTTP as the protocol, and the full form for that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's used to communicate between a client to a server. A client makes a request. Say, for example, I need to get a list of users from google.com or images from Google Maps or something. So here www.google.com is my URL or endpoint, and the resources, that is user, images, whatever I need to retrieve, is called the resource. And HTTP has several methods. One is the GET, another is POST, update or delete are the different APIs of HTTP. So these are also called the CRUD operations. CRUD stands for create, read, update, delete operations. These we know exist in even SQL. So in order to read, we use GET API. In order to create a new resource, a POST API is used. In order to update, we use PUT. And in order to delete, of course, it's the delete operation. So these are all the methods. So what are the different types of commonly used web services? We have SOAP and the REST as the commonly used web services. SOAP is there from legacy and it uses XML for means of communication, whereas REST is the more recent one, is more flexible and uses JSON as a way to communicate. JSON, as we know, is like key value pairs. It's the more flexible of the two. SOAP is a little bit of heavyweight in the sense it uses XML tags and it does take network load, whereas REST uses JSON, which is key value formats, and doesn't take so much of a network bandwidth. Hence, nowadays, most of them are using REST Assured for API testing because most of our web services are developed using REST. And what's the use of web services? They're very less expensive. You need, in order to get resources, get the data, it doesn't require a lot of bandwidth and you can get your resources easily. It also has quality. It protects data from errors and also doesn't make too many calls to database. We have something called the caching feature also, and it's good for sale. They have multiple modules or single modules in a software, so they are all related to the project. Multiple language support. Web services are independent of language in which different systems are there. So it doesn't depend on one particular language or a platform. So that's the reason we most commonly use web services. So in the next lecture, we're going to listen to more interview question and answers and also see some hands-on for Rest Assured API testing. I hope you like the channel. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon for more such updates. Thank you.